Hey everyone, we are in Shepparton today. This is the 4th day of the trip. For today's plan, it was either to go to Swan Hill, we can try that, or we can go to the Grampians. Both the areas have got same temperature. It's hotter than here. It's about the same distance. So really, it depends on what we want to do the day after, you know, which is a Thursday, which will be the last day of the trip. Now, this is the Victoria Lakes Park, which is actually very nice. So there's a lake at the back. There's an airport right behind us as well after the lake. So there are planes flying around here. Hello. We have a visitor here.
Oh, Dookie. I was running over and then he doesn't say hello. Come on, say hello. Don't give up.
Hello.
Says, have you got any food? What do you got in there for me? Comfortable?
Yeah. This is my second time camping.
Oh.
So first night it was really hard because I didn't even set this up at home or anything like that. So I worked it out, but then figured out that actually it's gonna rain, and I put where the power was, I put it away from that. So I was like, I better bring it. So I reset it up again and everything. So I learned from that, you know.
You got a fly, haven't you?
Yeah.
That would have been cold last night.
Yeah, there is another.
Yeah, they call it a fly.
Fly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it keeps you warmer and waterproof.
Yeah, waterproof is the main thing. But the first night it rained as well at 2 o'clock. And I was like, I don't know if the rainwater is going to come in or not. But the lady at Arden Park was really nice. She was like, no, just set it up on a high ground, you know, a little bit higher, and it should dry out really quickly.
Yeah.
But last night was colder than Myrtleford. And for some reason it was like more colder.
Yeah, well, inland, and this is, it starts to get dry and hot, so the days are hot, especially in summer, nights are usually cool and there's this cloud.
Yeah, the ride is not long today, it's only about 2 to 3 hours, so I'm not expecting a lot of video recording for today. Time to get ready. Alright, so it's about 9:40. Just gonna fix this up. Horsham's about 300 kilometers from here, so it should take me about 3 hours. And we'll just stop a couple of places to see if we can find some good spots. Right, so let's go. Right, so this is supposed to be the miniature railway. It looks like nobody's here. When is it open? Don't know. So it's about $5 per person. I guess I'm the only one who wants to go for a ride. These are the train tracks. That's platform 1 and 2. I think it just goes around. But those ones are real tracks. Train ride. Sorry, how is the road ahead? How is the road ahead?
Much like this.
Okay, yeah.
Pretty much stays like this the whole way.
Okay, cool, cool. It's not gravel, is it?
No, it stays like this. You hit the crossroads.
Yeah.
And it's like this both ways through to Epsom and Bendigo, or I think it's Merrigum that way. And then if you keep going through Raywood, it stays the same as well.
No worries. Thank you very much.
Problem.
So a bit of a change in the plan. I'm now, instead of Horsham, I'm actually going to Holt's Gap now. So Holt's Gap is about 53 minutes from here. I should be able to make it there before the sun sets, way before the sun sets. So let's keep going.